Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. There's been a lot of traveling going on lately, and a lot of you guys on Instagram have been demanding some sort of travel content. So I thought, why not sit down and do a what's in my bag tag, but what's in my bag travel edition. So this is the backpack that I carried with me to London, and it's still like I haven't unpacked it yet. It still has like the tags on it, if you guys can see it. And I'm gonna be traveling in like 4 days again, so there's absolutely no point unpacking this bag. I'm just gonna take it as it is. But I'm gonna be going through every single item that is in my bag, and there's quite a lot, so I guess we should get started. So let's start by talking about the backpack. I always prefer carrying a backpack than a purse. I never ever carry a purse. It's always a backpack. And this backpack is from Lifestyle. It was on like some sort of sale and I got it for like only 500 rupees, which I think is such a steal. It's a really nice, good quality bag. It's very pretty. It goes with most of my outfits, and something that's attached to the bag is my neck pillow. Now I always have a neck pillow because I love to sleep in flights. The minute I like sit in a flight, I buckle up and I just knock out. Yeah, that's my secret talent, maybe, just being able to sleep anywhere. So I need a neck pillow, and this neck pillow is from Miniso. Now before I start with like the bag zip, I think let's start with what's here ahead. So there's a compartment right here, and this just has a bunch of wires. So let's just go through all of them. First item is my charger, my mobile charger. One thing that goes along with my charger is the adapter. Now when you travel to different countries, you do need this because the plug points are different, and in London I really required this. The next very important item is a portable charger. My friend works in HBO, so she gifted this to me. And another thing that goes with the portable charger is the wire to charge the portable charger. My tripod for my camera. This is the Manfrotto tripod. Kritika Goel recommended this tripod to me, and I've been using it and I love it. And another thing that goes hand in hand with the camera is the camera charger. So yeah, those are all the wires that I keep right here ahead. So now that we're done with the front section, let's talk about what's inside. As you can see, there's a lot. So let's just dig in. The first item that I can see is a water bottle. This is a metal water bottle. I wouldn't recommend using a plastic water bottle because let's just avoid using plastic altogether. And other than that, why I would recommend always having a water bottle on you is because you can save a lot of money. You don't need to buy water. You can just have like an empty water bottle with you and you can refill it on the airports. And another thing, I always carry my water bottle empty because during the security they make you empty your bottle, or like you have to drink all of it. So I just travel with like an empty water bottle. The next item is a notebook. This is the Simba Lifestyles like part of the stationery kit notebook. I have this with me even like in my everyday bag, so I have to have it when I'm traveling, of course. So this is what I have. I just write down all of my video ideas, my video scripts, and etc. The next item goes kind of hand in hand with the neck pillow. It's an eye mask. This is like an absolute must for me because I like to wear it and sleep. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, but I make it a point to always have this on me. Again, this is from Miniso, if you're wondering. Super basic, but such a must-have, my wallet. Next, I have my Polaroid camera because I like to always travel with it. It's just nice to have memories, like a physical copy of all the memories. Of course, you can always just click pictures using your cell phone, but I like to have a Polaroid on me. And the next item is again a camera. It's my vlogging camera. It's the G7X Mark II, in case you're wondering. A pair of really nice, comfortable, thick socks. Now, usually on planes, I get really chilly. My feet get really cold. So I like to put these on. It's just really nice to have, especially since I'm always trying to sleep on flights. It's nice to feel comfortable and warm. So a pair of socks. Now, the next item might look very random. It's a toilet paper roll. Toilet roll, yeah, that's what it's called. I use it as like a 2-in-1. So I use it as a tissue and I use it as a toilet roll as well. Now I carry this pouch with me even in like my regular bag, but there are like a few components that are travel edition. This is my emergency kit, by the way. This is from Shein, if you're wondering. Let's talk about what all is in here. So we have a pad, of course, and some panty liners as well. I have some wet wipes. These are the Cara hand sanitizing wipes. The next item is pee buddy. Now if you have absolutely no idea what this is kind of like a peeing device. So you know, like how guys stand up and pee, we aren't capable of doing that biologically, right? So you can use this kind of like a funnel and you can stand up and pee. So I think it's just such a nice thing to have. I will make sure to link these in the description box below, and would definitely recommend getting these. Anyway, what do we have next? We have some medicines. So we have a diclofenac. Now I don't like ever use this medicine. It's like a painkiller, but you just never know, so I just like to have it on me most, like at all times. The next medicine that I have is called Biquinol. It's a loose motion tablet. Again, something that you never know when you might need. Third item again goes kind of like in the category of medicines. These are the oral rehydration salts, the ORS packet that I always carry with me. I have a few beauty sort of products. So I have some oil blotting sheets. I have a nude lipstick. This is by Nykaa. It's their Molten Matte in the shade Rachel. The next thing that I have is a brow product, and I also have a mini mascara. The next thing that I have with me is a rubber band and a bobby pin, just in case I might need it. I have a metal straw because I do not use plastic straws whatsoever, so it's nice to have a metal straw. And I also have some reusable cutlery. So again, when you're traveling and you're eating outside, they give you these plastic spoons, plastic knives, spoons, I said spoons, forks, so like plastic cutlery, and it's always nice to have your own cutlery so that you're not using any more plastic. And the last item that I have is a pen, because I have a notebook, so I need something to write with. And that was everything that I have in this emergency kit. I know, quite a lot, but we're not done yet. The next and the last item that I have is this Ziploc. So when you're traveling by planes, most airports ask you to segregate your liquids. So they ask you to segregate, like remove all of your liquids in a Ziploc bag. So I do that always. If I'm feeling too lazy, I make sure to at least carry a Ziploc bag in my backpack, so that on the airport, if they ask me to remove it, I always have like a Ziploc bag to throw everything in there. So the first one is my lens solution. Again, everything in here, like all the liquids are under 100 ml. You need to make sure to follow that. You cannot carry any liquids that are over 100 ml. That's just a rule. Along with the lens solution, I carry my lens case. I have my perfume. Now this perfume is by Mini. So I have a lip balm. Again, this is by Biotique. This is the Bio Almond Lip Oil, lip balm, sorry. I have a hand sanitizer because you need this all the time. As I said, I wear contacts, so it's nice for me to have eye drops. These are the eye drops that I wear. These are the Refresh Tear eye drops. And the last and final item that we have is this spot treatment that I have for my face. It's called the Attribution gel. So in the video, I completely forgot to show you guys this little pouch that's inside, like a little zip. What I keep in here are some mints, and the second thing in here is this little dibbi of ajwain. I'm not really sure what it's called in English, but this just really helps you with gas, and also if you have a stomach ache, it's just nice to have while traveling. And that was everything I traveled with, like everything that was in this bag for my last travel when I went to London. But when I'm going to be traveling to Bali, I'm going to be traveling to Bali in a few days, so I'm going to be carrying one more bag along with this backpack. I'm going to be carrying a fanny pack. So what I'm going to be carrying in this fanny pack is my passport, of course, and when I'm done with my check-in, I'll have my boarding pass, which is always nice to have. It's really handy to have it in a fanny pack. I'll also be carrying my cell phone in the fanny pack. So this time I'm going to be traveling alone, like without my parents. So I'm going to have to like handle my own passport and my boarding pass and all of that. So I think it's just a really nice thing to have. But I think that's really about it. I know I carry like my entire world with me, but it makes me feel safe and it makes me feel prepared. So yeah, that was everything that I had. I hope it was helpful in any way, and I think that's really about it. Get excited for a lot more travel content. I've been planning a lot of travel content from Bali especially. So yeah, I think that's really about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.